Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is why do we fall ill? Why do we fall ill? That is chapter number 13. Now at the first of this chapter we will discuss about health. What is health? So let's make the heading, that is health. Health is actually a state. That means if we say that someone is healthy, that means they are physically well, they are mentally well, and they are also socially well. So that is health is, we can call that health is a state of body and mind. So a healthy person, they always physically, mentally and socially should be fit. That is we if we make the definition, then we can say that health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. If physical, mental and social well-being are present in any individual or in any human beings, then we can say that he or she will be, or he or she is healthy. So that is it is a state of body and mind. That means body and mind, they can coordinate with each other very easily. Now if we discuss about the healthy person, suppose a healthy person, they always show good in physically. If they good in physically, or their physical body is very good, then they can make a any positive outlook. So they can make positive outlook. Positive outlook means they can make any decision, or they take any decision in positive manner. And the second thing is that they always able to cope with any mental and social problem. Cope with mental and social problem or social issue very easily. These are the basic symptoms or basic basic action of any healthy person. Now a healthy person is always healthy if they maintain some activity. So that means these activities are need to maintain a good health. That activity, basic activities, they always need a balanced diet. First make the heading, that is need to maintain good health. Maintain a good health. That means which type of activity or which types of things are always need to maintain a good health. The first thing that is need to maintain a good health, one is balanced diet. Because diet is very much important for our body to being healthy. Second thing, they should do exercise every day, and exercise also make us healthy. Third and most important thing, that is a proper hygiene. Proper maintenance of proper hygiene is very much important to being healthy. That means proper hygiene is also important to maintain a good health. And except all of this, we need proper shelter, and enough sleep. Proper shelter and enough sleep is also important to maintain a good health. Now, if an individual or if a human, they maintain a good health, so if these all the things getting disrupted, then that human get affected or also get disease. Now there the next point is how human beings or how the health of the human beings get affected. So make the heading how health get affected. Some cause to get affected, they are present by their birth. So that is, there are some genetic disorder. Because genetic disorder is carried out from their parents to these human beings or to this organism. So genetic disorder is such type of disease we cannot overcome from the disease, but we can prevent the disease. So genetic disorder is also the cause that how human bodies get affected. Except genetic disorder, there are also lifestyle. Lifestyle means what type of food we eat, that also affect our health. Types of water, they also affected our health. These are the basic things, or these are the basic things. That's in hygiene also, any hygiene issue. This also affected our healthy life. And the last thing is any disease causing organism, they also can make disease in our body. So these are the overall idea about the what is health or what is healthing property.